OpenAI tells the Financial Times that it has evidence that DeepSeek used OpenAI's proprietary models to train DeepSeek's rival system through a technique called distillation.
So you're mad at them for scraping your data. Well, you scraped our data, and we were mad at you
for scraping our data.
Everybody's mad at everybody for scraping each other's data.
It's not the same, though. Just to set the rules of the road, you can still be mad at them and think it's funny and everything. I'm not trying to invalidate any of those feelings or thoughts. But what writers and artists are mad at is taking publicly available information and using it to train a model. They're saying that's a violating of copyright. OpenAI and others are saying it's not a violation of copyright. We didn't copy it. We used it to feed our model the way that Google uses your copyrighted works to feed its search index. It's very similar. People don't mind the search index because they feel they get a benefit from it. Although there are some lines, as we've seen with news publishers suing Google, right? What OpenAI is mad at DeepSeek for is DeepSeek using its API, right? It's not mad at DeepSeek for copying. It's mad at DeepSeek for using its data. It's slurped up, if they're correct. It's accused of, let's say, slurping up a large amount of data out of the API without permission, abusing the privilege of that API. Also, there are restrictions on what you can do with what you get out of an API. That's true of any API. And if DeepSeek distilled the text and trained its current model on it without permission, then that is also a violation of the terms of service. Now, that one gets closer to what the artists and the writers are complaining about, but it's still not a copyright argument. It's a terms of service argument. You may not care, and I get that, but just to explain, like, it's not exactly the same thing.